Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswati International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 4th. Here we are going to continue chapter number 2, long and short, part 9. So students, in today's part we are going to see question number 15. Let's read. The table given below shows the detail of the students who obtained first and second position in high jump and long jump in the sports day of a school. Answer the following questions on its basis. Now the table is given here, and high jump in sport, high jump and long jump is given, and the winner of boys in second column and the winner of girls in third column is represented. Now with the help of this table we need to answer the following questions. So let's start. Number 1. What is the difference between the jumps of first winner and second winner in the high jump for boys? So students, here we need to concentrate on the words given in the question. That in first question we can observe high jump, that means the first row. For boys, that means we need to concentrate in second column, and we need to find out the difference between first winner and second winner, that means Vinu and Ashish. Okay, again I am going to explain. We need to concentrate on high jump of boys, that means we need to concentrate on Vinu's high jump and Ashish high jump, and here we need to find out the difference, that means we need to subtract these two numbers. So let's see. First I will write meter, then centimeter. So whose high jump is more? That is 2 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, and the high jump of Ashish is 2 meter 11 centimeter. Now subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, and 2 minus 2, 0. That means the difference of first winner and the second winner of high jump is how much? 14 centimeter. Now question number 2. What is the difference between the jumps of first winner and second winner in the long jump for girls? So students, we need to see long jump for girls, that means long jump the second row, and for girls that means third column. Okay, now we need to find out the difference of first winner, that means Jaya, and the second winner, that means Lata. See students, we need to find out the difference of first winner and second winner, but what is the condition? Condition is long jump of girls. So the long jump of girls, that means we need to concentrate in this box. So Jaya and Lata. Okay, so let's find out the difference. First we'll write meter and centimeter. Jaya's long jump is 5 meter 96 centimeter, and Lata's long jump is 5 meter 88 centimeter. Let's find out the difference. 6 minus 8, not possible, so we need to cut this 6 and we'll write here 16. Now 16 minus 8 equals to 8. Very good. Now we need to cut this 9 and we are going to write here 8. Now 8 minus 8 equals to 0, and 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So our answer is 8 centimeter. So the difference of first winner and the second winner from girls in long jump is 8 centimeter. Students, all these questions solution I have already done here, so you can go through with these solutions. Now question number 3. What is the difference between the jump of first winner in high jump for boys? So just see the sentence, high jump for boys, that means high jump for boys. So it includes Vinu and Ashish, but from them we need to take first winner, that means we need to take Vinu. Okay, after that the jump of second winner in high jump for girls. Now high jump for girls, and we need to take the second winner, that means Sneha. Okay students, so when you are going to solve this type of questions, you need to concentrate the terms given in the questions. So with the help of this term, you need to find out the figures we need to calculate. Okay, so let's start. Now we need to find out the difference of Vinu and Sneha. So let's start. First we'll write meter and centimeter. Now Vinu's jump is 2 meter 25 centimeter, and what about Sneha? 1 meter 85 centimeter. Let's subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 8, not possible. So we'll cut this 2 and we'll write here 12. Now 12 minus 8, 4. Okay, and again we'll cut this 2 and we'll write here 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference of Vinu and Sneha is how much? 40 centimeter. Now number 4. What is the difference between the jump of second winner in long jump for boys? So long jump is here and boys are here, and we need to see the second winner. So the second winner is Ashwin. Okay, let's read further. The jump of first winner in long jump for girls. Okay, so who is the first winner? Jaya. Now we need to find out the difference of these two jumps. So Ashwin and Jaya's jump we need to calculate. So let's see. Ashwin's jump is 6 meter 43 centimeter, and the Jaya's jump is 5 meter 96 centimeter. So let's subtract. 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we'll cut this 3 and we'll write here 13. Now tell me, 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Now we again need to cut this 4 and we'll write here 3. Again 3 minus 9, not possible, so we need to take one carry. Now 13 minus 9 equals to 4. Now again we need to cut this 6 and we are going to write here 5. So 5 minus 5 will give you 0. So the difference of these two jumps is how much? 47 centimeter. Now students, number 5, whose long jump is very close to 6 meter. So here are some options were given. With the help of this we need to find out who is nearer to 6 meter. So let's see. Here I have already write written the jumps of the options, that is Sailesh 6 meter 60 centimeter, Jaya 5 meter 96 centimeter, Ashwin 6 meter 43 centimeter, and Lata 5 meter 88 centimeter. So you can see here Jaya is the only one who is very close to 6 meters because she is 4 centimeter far from 6 meter, and it is a very short distance. That is why our answer is Jaya. Now students, question number 6 you need to find out by yourself in homework, because question number 5 and question number 6 they both are similar in calculation. Now students, question number 7, how many meters longer should Sailesh jump to reach 7 meter? That means the given is 7 meter and we need to subtract the Sailesh jump from 7 meter, so we'll get the difference of the Sailesh jump from 7 meter. Okay, so let's see question number 7. So the given is 7 meter and we'll write 00 in centimeter, and the Sailesh long jump is 6 meter 60 centimeter. So with the help of subtraction we get 40 centimeter Sailesh need to jump to reach 7 meter. So you can see here 7 in meter and we'll write in centimeter 00, and the jump of Sailesh is 6 meter 60 centimeter. So 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 6 not possible, so we'll take here 10. 10 minus 6 will give you 4, and here again we'll cut the 7 and we'll write here 6. 6 minus 6 0, so our answer is 40 centimeter. Now question number 8, how many meters higher should Sneha jump to reach 2 meter? Now in question number 8 the same method followed like question number 7. The 2 meter is given, okay, and we need to subtract Sneha's jump to find out how much she should higher to reach 2 meter. So let's see. So Sneha's jump is 1 meter 85 centimeter and the given figure is 2 meter. That means she need to reach on 2 meter. So let's find out how much she need to take more jump. So 2 meter minus 1 meter 85 centimeter. So the difference is 15 centimeter. So she need to go higher by 15 centimeter to reach 2 meter. Let's see how we'll subtract this meter and centimeter. 2 meter and in 0 we'll write 00 in centimeter. 1 meter 85 is the jump of Sneha. So 0 9, okay, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 8 1, and again we are going to cut these two and we'll write here 1 minus 1 0. So 15 centimeter is the answer. Thank you.